Hi, I'm Allie Reynolds with Allie's Organics, and today we're going to give you some tips on pruning tomatoes. Now, the first thing you need to know is don't prune a tomato bush that is a determinate variety or a bush variety. They really don't need it, and a lot of times you're pruning off what's going to eventually be your fruit. So we're going to take an indeterminate variety. This is an heirloom variety, and we want to prune it to cause the fruits to grow bigger. It also helps with a little bit of disease too. You get a little more airflow through your tomato. But if you want those really nice, big, juicy tomatoes, this is the way to go. These tomatoes definitely have to be staked. They're going to grow pretty darn big. What we want to do is start off with the main trunk. Then it will divide and it'll get a sucker up here somewhere. This is a sucker. We're going to go ahead and leave this guy. You can tell it's a sucker because it came out from between the main stem and a leaf. We're going to leave him and we're going to leave the main stem. So we want two main stems. So what we're going to do from here on out, and we can come down here, and you can see there's a sucker right here. It's coming up between the main and a leaf, and we just want to pinch that off. We just want to get rid of it. And we're going to go through and get rid of all of these suckers. There's one right here. This is going to cause this guy to grow pretty fast. We're going to get bigger blossoms on him. And we're going to want to come out about once a week, every 10 days, and do this. You don't necessarily want to get them when they're this big, but if you do leave a sucker that gets this big, they don't pinch off well. We're going to use a sharp knife to get rid of it. It's better just to pinch them when they're young. Yes, this is our main branch, but I'm just showing you for example. And just get rid of it just like that. And like I said, you're going to want to come out here every 7 to 10 days to prune him up. Keep him staked up and keep going all through the summer long. You don't want to prune this when it's wet though, because then you're going to be spreading disease if there was a disease on this plant. It's better if you're doing them when they're dry. And there's some tips for pruning tomato.